Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to find pending follow requests on Threads. It's very easy. So if you want to check your pending follow requests, all you have to do guys is to open your Threads app, log into your account and head to your profile. If you want to head to your profile, click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then from your profile click on your followers option right there on your profile. So after that, you're going to find your followers, your following, and the pending option right there. So tap on the pending option and you'll find all your pending follow requests right here. So people, accounts you want to follow that haven't joined Threads yet will also appear right here, right? So guys, this is how you can actually do it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this.